Did get a roll bar mount for the GoPros. Sure hate that other camera's already messed up though, but you get what you pay for. We'll see how it recorded. Just a day in the life of a racer that's off work. That's what this is. Driving an old tow pig. Cold out here today, 34 degrees. Yeah, I bought them Chinese cameras. I mean, they come straight off the boat from China. And they recorded like garbage. Like a 1999 Nokia flip phone. I wasn't even gonna try that. Yesterday, the router went out. So I went to the Walmart, picked up a new router for the wireless there at the house. Saw that $30 Vivitar, GoPro style mount and everything. I also saw they had a roll bar mount, so I picked that up. You know we had to get that. And so I saw a Vivitar, $30 action camera. I was like, $30. I've spent more on less, that's for sure. So I hooked it up, did a little recording last night. It didn't look too terrible. Go to plug it back in this morning, turn it on, gonna do this filming for this. The daggum viewfinder screen in the back's all lined up. Can't see what you're looking at. So we going back to the good old GoPro Hero 1. I'm talking very first edition GoPro. I ain't got a clue what y'all are seeing, but I know old GoPro, she does pretty good. So y'all seeing the highway, hearing me talk. Or you should be hearing me talk. Truck ain't that noisy. We're gonna stop here and get us a Mountain Dew. We might even fuel up. If they got fuel. Hell, I ain't had no fuel in forever. Oh yeah, they finally got fuel. I'll see y'all in a few minutes. $81 damn for diesel fuel. Man, hard on a working man. All right, let's go to town. We gotta go and get to working on that car, y'all. Rode all the way to Maryland to get it, pick it up from Match, you know. Ain't got it out the daggum trailer yet. Speaking of them Chinese cameras, I recorded pretty much that whole trip. Had something good for y'all. Gonna be called the Dirty Windshield Diaries, as I think I was gonna call it, which I guess you can say this right here is part 2 of that. But every doggone video out of that Chinese camera would not play. Locked my computer up and just looked like pure donkey. So we're going back to the GoPro. We're going to save up our money and get us another GoPro. That way I got one to put to the outside the car and one on the inside the car while we're on the course there. So y'all can see what's going on. So I can see what's going on. Oh, I need to give me a charging cable for this one here in the truck. No, not to turn the AM FM radio on. Don't want to get no copyright violations. So we're gonna ride along here. We're gonna listen to the tires whine, and y'all gonna listen to me talk if you want to. Oh yeah, and the seatbelt chime, dang. Let me explain something to y'all about the seatbelts. Used to be on rescue squad. You know, the people that call out when you wreck your car, and that's who cuts you out. Most little towns and whatnot now, the fire department does all that. Well, here in Lee County, we actually had a rescue squad, separately funded from all the fire departments and whatnot. And you get messed up on the river, you get lost or whatever, they'd call us out. You wreck your car, they'd call us out. You got a lost youngin', they'd call us out. Anyhow, back to the reason why I don't wear my seatbelt. Or I rarely wear my seatbelt. And I'll wear the seatbelt every time I'm in the race car. But on the highway, I cut more dead people out that were wearing seatbelts than I cut live people out that were not. Now true, that was almost 20 years ago. And I'm sure the technology and all has come a lot better, but that's always in the back of my mind. I ain't gonna lie to you, I see the lawman, I'll pull it around my neck. I should wear it, and I'm sure the technology's gotten a lot better, especially with the airbags and all that good stuff. Just have a hard time doing it. Tell me I don't live out in the sticks, y'all. Yeah, I plan on putting up some more stuff on YouTube. I mean, I got a couple subscribers now, and well, undoubtedly they like what they've seen so far. Either that or they just felt sorry for me. And if you felt sorry for me, Thank you. Appreciate that. You like what you saw? Well, I'll try to make you some more. When we get the car out the trailer, I plan on recording a whole lot more stuff. Putting it back together, putting the motor in, transmission in, putting that new fuel tank in. It's gonna be good times. Got a lot of work to do before the test and tune session in Danville. It'll be alright though. Yeah, I was supposed to get the car inspected in December, so I'm late. About half a month late, give or take. Already paid the taxes on it, already sent them up to the Capitol there, and they sent me a letter back saying, hey, get your car inspected, we give you a sticker. Such is life. Got my Mountain Dew, got my Winston lights. Life is good. Speaking of Mountain Dew, y'all see Cletus has got him what looks to be a doggone sponsorship from them people. Do it for Dale. Got his racing jackets from him, got the cooler. That's good, that boy right there. I tell you what, I've been watching him for a while now. Back when he was goofing off with putting duck calls in exhaust. Now look at him, building him a doggone jet car. Got the fastest stick shifted GM car, or as far as I know as of right now. Old Leroy the Savage. That boy's come a long way. As far as I know, all he really does is YouTube stuff, and he's got his little shop there, but you never see him working on nothing else but his own stuff. More power to him. Live that American dream. Maybe one day I'll figure out what I want to be when I grow up. Come from a 41-year-old man of 4 children. Little town. Looks terrible, huh?